Do you know how many vowel sounds are there in English? Remember, I mean vowel sounds, not vowels. There are just 5 vowels in the English language, but there are some 20 vowel sounds. These vowels, singly and in combination, can produce some 20 vowel sounds. This is one of the tricky areas of the English language, especially for those who do not belong to the English environment, who do not belong to the English language environment. Today, we are trying to see some basic vowel sounds, and in another session, we'll check off diphthongs. Good evening, everybody. This is Language Mantras Basic English session number 57, and we have basic vowel sounds to discuss. We know there are 5 vowels. They are A, E, I, O, and U. Let's begin with A. When I treat this one as a letter of the alphabet, I mean the first letter of the alphabet, we pronounce it as A. But as a vowel, this A has 4 distinct sounds. Let's see with examples. Number 1, it becomes A sound, as in any, many, and village, age, any, many. So first sound is A. Now see the second sound, A sound. Frequently we come across this sound A, as in ant, cat, then trap. Come to the third sound, that is A sound. This A is quite open. Open your mouth as much as you can. After, father, half. After, father, half. So this is A sound. And number 4 is O sound. Slightly tending towards O. Not just O, but O. As in altar, bowl, call, not altar, ball, or call. It is altar, bowl, and call. Now come to the second vowel E. As a letter, this is E. But as a vowel, it can produce 3 types of sounds. Number 1, A. I've seen this one. You see the symbol of A, and this is also phonetic symbol A. Here we have any, many, village. Here we have egg, bait, and leapt. So this E has A sound. That is perhaps the first sound. Come to the second sound, mercy, term, and refer. What kind of sound is this? A sound. But see the difference between this A and this A. Here it is after, father. But here it is mercy, term, and refer. Your mouth does not open that much. It's very open sound, and it is not that much open. Right? Come to the next one. That is E sound. E has E sound also, and 2 sounds. One is short E and the other is long E. Short E, he, see, and long E, theme. Here you have to prolong the E sound slightly, theme. So you see, E has 3 basic vowel sounds. Now come to the next one, that is I. As a letter, this is pronounced as I. But as a vowel sound, it has first E sound, as in pit, will, village, E sound, just P-I-T, pit, W-I-L-L, will, V-I-L-L-A-G-E, village. Number 2, R sound, like this, mercy, term, refer. We have bird. I'm writing B-I-R-D, but I pronounce as bird. So R sound is there. Then first, confirm. And frequently we come across this I sound also. This is slightly diphthongized sound, I sound, but very frequently we come across this sound, as in high, H-I, high, pilot, 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 P-I-L-O-T, pilot. Then polite, L-I-T, light. So you see, we have at least 3 basic sounds. This one slightly diphthongized. Okay, come to the next one, that is O. As a letter, this is O. And as vowel, it produces 4 sounds. Take care. Number 1 is O sound. Coffee, caw, coffee. Then nod, nod, nod. Then third one is spot, spaw, o sound, spot. So coffee, nod and spot. Next one, O sound. This is O and this is also O, but remember, slightly O and U come together. So go, no, nose, bone. So O sound is produced, and this is the symbol of O sound. Then come to R sound. This R again is a different kind of R. So we have 3 types of R. One is this R after father, quite open R, and then we have mercy, or say this one bird, and here again we have another R, that is mother, mother. Then come. So R is of course a complicated sound. You have to compare these words and you have to make some drill. Just sit before a mirror and try to pronounce these words. If possible, use your mobile to get the sounds and it will be fine for you. Now, U sound. O interestingly produces U sound also. But number of words are very few. Few examples are police. It is not police, but police. Then do. Then who. This who is long U. So we have police, we have to, we have do, we have who. U sound produced by vowel O. Now come to the last one, that is U. This U is a letter, and as a vowel it has 2 sounds. One is A, like this one, mother, come. A is umbrella, umbrella, current, tub. And as U sound we have put, full, and long U, tube. Here it is tube, tub, but you see here T-U-B-E, tube, cube. So U is a complicated sound. Here we have 3 examples, put, then full and tube. And as R sound we have umbrella, current and tub. One thing you may remember, when it is used as U sound, we do not use article an. But when we use R sound, we use U and produce R sound, and if it is in the beginning of a word, we use an umbrella, but a or a university. So remember these sounds, we have short vowels, we have long vowels, we have diphthongs. We will have another session on diphthongs. So Today we have discussed only the basic vowel sounds. If you can sit before a mirror and try to produce these sounds, imitate the RP sound, received pronunciation they call it. For foreign people, for foreigners, those whose mother tongue is not English and those who are educated people, they try to imitate received pronunciation. You can get it easily. If you have a mobile, you can just see the sound of a particular word and you will get it for some time. You just have to make some drill for a while and you will see that perfect sound is coming out through your mouth. Okay then, have a nice time. See you next time again.